Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to fix audio in PS3. Okay, first we have to come to setting and search sound setting. Okay, then press X. Then come to audio output setting, press X. Then come to audio input connectors sector when you are using connector, okay, not HDMI. Then press here, then X. Then now see, sound is coming. This much I have to show, and your problem is solved means please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.